So everybody, today we are going to be unpacking and ripping some Destined rival packs and one product that I've actually personally never opened, which is going to be a build and bottle box. And in here we have 4 booster packs and then a chance to pull one of 4 kind of main holo cards that are in here, which I don't even know what they are. They're unique foil promo cards, which I'm super excited for, and they should have the build and battle like stamp and sticker on there. And then we'll be opening the booster bundle, the 6-pack booster bundle from Destined Rivals. If you guys haven't seen yet, we did unbox the first ETB for Destined Rivals, so definitely check that video out first if you haven't, and then come to this one to see what kind of pulls we got, because we definitely got some awesome ones, and that Team Rocket's Wobbuffet is actually a great promo card for Destined Rivals. But without further ado, let's unpack these and leave a comment down below if you were able to snag any of these for that May 30th release date, because again, this is one of the most anticipated sets of Scarlet and Violet in a very long time, and for me, is one that I, from a nostalgic standpoint, absolutely love, because I loved the Team Rocket packs way back in the early 2000s. I believe it was like the year 2000 or 2001. So without further ado, let's start off with that build and battle, because it's something I've never ripped before. Let's get into it. Well, alright everyone, let's get into this, and like I said, we have the build and battle, which is something I've never opened before, and then we'll have the 6-pack booster bundle. So in total, we're going to be opening 10 packs and see what kind of pulls we got. If you watched the last video, a little foreshadow as to what happened in the last video to see if it's worth it for you guys to open it. But again, leave a comment down below or leave an R for Team Rocket down below if you guys were able to snag one of these up on May 30th for the release date. But we're going to start with the build and battle, because like I said, I've never opened one before. I'm curious to know what it's all about. I know the gist of it. It's basically made for people that want to create an actual battle deck with the 60 cards, because it brings 40 cards like pretty much pre-built with some energies and things like that, as well as a promo card, and then finally 4 packs for you to be able to bundle up and create whatever pack you want. So slide this out of the way. So I keep telling everybody to be patient, because from a retail standpoint, these are each going to be around $26 to $28 from Pokemon.com or any retailer. But for right now, this build and battle, for instance, is going for anywhere from $69 to $79, which is kind of unfortunate, but something to keep in mind. Just be patient. They'll have more releases as they come around, and maybe you'll be blessed, like I was by the Pokemon gods, with everything in here. But it looks like you do get, there is some sort of variability in what you do get. So if you look at the back right here, you get what looks like to be one of 4 unique promo cards, and I have no idea what they could be. So let's open this up and see exactly what's going on. So first you get this. I'm going to hide this so we don't see what's going on in there. But is this a little poster or a little explainer as to what it is? So it's basically just tips on what comes with building a deck and what you to expect from it. Again, always nice to see that that's kind of still part of the game, because I know that a lot of people are just collecting, but again, you do want to, like, the main point of this game is to play the card game. And then there's a whole list of all the different cards that are available in this set. We have about 244 different cards that are in here. So let's see what we're able to pull out in terms of the cards and rarities and things like that. So we're still missing a lot of cards from this set. So if we grab this, I think if we just turn it over, it'll show us exactly what's on the front. So let's turn it over. Is this the promo that we get? Ethan's Typhlosion. Let's see. So yeah, that's the 4 cards. We'll put this over here. But it does look like this is going to be the promo card, and we'll open this up, but we'll open it up at the end. I kind of want to open up the packs first, so let's do that first. We'll put this right here. 4 Destined Rivals packs. Let's see how far we get. Let's open up this one first and get right into it. See if we got some first pack magic. In the ETB, we actually got some first pack magic out of one of these, so if you guys want to check that out, I do highly recommend checking that one out. Little code card for whoever wants it. Let's get right into it. We have Cynthia's Guibel, we have Pineco, Clamperl, Ponyta, or Ponita, how do you guys say it? We have Wellspring Mask Ogrepon, or Ogrepon, Shaman, Ethan's Adventure, Reverse Foil Dolive, a Steven's Carbrink, and then our rare is going to be literally the same card, Typhlosion. But again, at least this one does come with a Destined Rival stamp, as you guys can see right there, versus this one does not. So something to consider if you guys are getting into this and do want to, again, do the build and battle boxes. But let's put that off to the side and get into the next pack right here, which is going to be, what artwork did we get? This one's going to be the whole Team Rocket artwork. Throw this off to the side. Code card. So let's start off with a Buizel, Then we have Team Rocket's Porygon, Team Rocket's or Ethan Sudowoodo. Again, I love the trainer cards, something that's very nostalgic to Team Rocket, but we have Team Rocket's Coughing, Cornerstone Arjapon, which seems to be, there's a couple different ones here. Team Rocket's Transceiver, Team Rocket's Nidoqueen, Team Rocket's Blipbug, Misty's Gyarados. And Misty's Gyarados is one that, again, we haven't been getting a lot of Misty cards, but is there something behind here? Nope. That's pretty much it. So we got 2 rare cards back to back. Interesting. What does that say? Zamazenta? Interesting. But obviously Misty's Gyarados has got to be my favorite. So this is kind of cool. So we have these 2 so far. Misty's Gyarados and Ethan's Typhlosion, which are pretty much the main characters, at least the main heroes from these set. And if we keep going on here, Destined Rivals. Let's keep this thing rolling. Again, Destined Rivals, we don't know what the pull rates are. We don't know what people are getting so far because it's still so early. So if you were able to get some, open these up. Let me know what your pull rates are because, again, so far it hasn't been great out of all the packs. We've only opened, I want to say, a little over 10 packs in total, but something to consider here. So we have Arven's Mischief, Dolive, Cynthia's Gabite, great card. Team Rocket's Venture Bomb, Marnie's Morgum, a Toadscruel, Team Rocket's Tyranitar. That's such a random card. A Talo. Boom. Another Typhlosion. We seem to be very Typhlosion heavy, and I'm not mad about it. I love Typhlosion. It's one of my favorite starter Pokemon, I guess, of all time. Between Charizard, Typhlosion, and then Blaziken. I was always kind of gravitating towards the fire ones, but let's open up this last pack from the Build and Battle. Crack this open. Let's see if we can get some last pack magic here, code card, and really get into this. So we have Dolive, we have another Gabite, Ethan's Quilava, nice. This has to be the first one we're getting that way. Team Rocket's Nidorina, Ethan's Pinsir, Barraskewda, Team Rocket's Proton, Team Rocket's Houndour in Reverse Hollow. Houndour is one of my favorite Pokemon for sure. You can see that there's a theme. I'm a big fire Pokemon guy for sure. Then we have a Snover, and then last but not least, another Zamazenta. Zamazenta? How do you guys say that? So not much luck, interestingly enough, when it comes to the pulls in here. And then if I grab this, should I open this guy? I guess let's see, because I'm curious to know if this is one of the four foil cards that we get, if that's what that means. So let's see what this is. And again, this should be pretty much, I think it's 2/3 of the way to a built deck. Flip this over, give you guys a code card, and then I wonder what comes in here. Ooh, some trainer tips on to how to use it. So the path to success is playing the Ethan's Adventure Supporter card as early as often. You also have Misty's Gyarados in there. Ooh, this is such a cool artwork when it comes to this. I'm definitely going to save this. I wonder if you can grade this card. That'd be so funny. But a bunch of trainers. Ethan's Quilava. Yeah, let's see. So yeah, pretty much just it's a water and fire deck with Misty's Gyarados in here, another Typhlosion. So I'm curious if there's other ones that maybe we missed out on. Lapras, another Typhlosion. Yeah, so the foil card is this Typhlosion that is stamped with what says here, Destined Rivals. Is that the only one that's stamped that way? Yeah, so only the foil card is stamped that way. So we are going to sleeve this one up at least, because I believe it will be rare and I don't want it to get all messed up or anything. So that's what we got so far. That's what happens when you open that up. So technically we have no pulls yet, so I was thinking about maybe saving this, but we're going to open this up right now because we can't end with not a single pull. We haven't even gotten an EX or a full art or illustration rare or anything like that. So this is going to be the same thing. This one goes for, I believe, $26.94 retail from retailers and things like that. But right now they're pretty hard to get. But like I said, be patient and eventually they'll come back down in price or be easier to get. I would not recommend paying scalpers the $80 to get 6 packs, especially with the pull rates that we're seeing. But let's see if we can get lucky here and really start to open this up a little bit for us. We're really tearing apart this pack. So we have Team Rocket's Nidorina, a Baltoy, Ethan Sudowoodo, Arven Scovet, Manectric, that's the first time we pulled that one, Misty Psyduck, Team Rocket's Energy, Fomantis, Talo, and then, ooh, this cool, ooh, there's another card back here. Nope. Okay, basic energy. So we just have the Blaziken right there. Again, great rare card. I love the artwork of the Blaziken. It's just interesting. Not a lot of pulls so far. Maybe it's not a good luck day, and we're probably gonna have to rip open the booster box sooner than I anticipated. But definitely get subscribed to the channel. We got a lot more coming. I got a lot of other ETBs to open up for you guys, see what kind of magic we get. Code card. So let's get this one going. We got Team Rocket's Blipbug, Team Rocket's Larvitar, Steven's Beldum, Citadel, I don't even know how to say that one, Marnie's Lipard, Huntail, Ethan's Pinsir. I mean, I love these new artworks. What do we have here? Arvin's Mastiff. Ooh, Steven's Skarmory. Ooh, such a cool Pokemon. And then Team Rocket's Zapdos. Probably my second favorite bird. Articuno. The Journey Together Articuno is still a card that I haven't gotten yet, that I really, really want to get eventually. And I don't want to just buy the single. I want to be able to pull that thing and have that my excitement for it, but very cool card here. And if you guys want to see a full list of all the different cards and the artwork and stuff like that, check out the first video of the ETB unboxing, because we go over the player's guide right here. But let's open up this one right here. Pack number 3. So again, if I paid $80 for like the 6 packs that I've opened so far, I'd be pretty upset, I won't lie. Team Rocket's Nidoran, classic Team Rocket Pokemon, Rotom, Growlithe, Swellow, Team Rocket's Porygon Z, Team Rocket's Houndoom, fantastic card, Energy Recycler, Yanma, Team Rocket's Rattata, and Team Rocket's Wobbuffet. Interesting. Still nothing, everybody. Whew. Hopefully you're sticking with me here to see what we can get, but we're getting there. Still a cool card nonetheless. Alright, let's get some thumbs up, please, in the chat down below or in the comments for some good luck, because it's been crazy. We got, this is going to be the Garchomp one. Boop. Code card. Let's rip this thing. Here we go. Ethan's Pichu, Yanma, Misty's Lapras. Like, there's so many cool cards that we haven't gotten yet, so again, very interesting. Primeape, Sacred Ash, Team Rocket's Hypno, Team Rocket's Arbok. This is a new one for me. Very cool card. Reverse Holo Team Rocket's Markrow. I'm actually using that as one of my main Pokemon in my Brilliant Diamond walkthrough. Ethan's Pichu Reverse Holo, and Ethan's Markargo. Sheesh. No luck today, guys. No luck today. Literally, so far we've opened 8 packs, and not a single pull. The most impressive one that we have is going to be the one that comes predetermined for you already. And I wonder what the other 4 cards. I bet you it's like Misty's Gyarados, and I bet you it's Team Rocket's Mewtwo. I'll maybe pull it up on the screen if I can find it, depending on when this is coming out. But let's keep this thing going. So of course, code card, and now things are going to get crazy. I have a good feeling about this. Here we go. Electabuzz, Cynthia's Rosalia, Team Rocket's Porygon, Heat Rotom, Medicham. First time we got that one. Team Rocket's Watchtower, Shaman. Ooh. Another Reverse Holo Blaziken. Team Rocket's Meowth. Oh, yes. Yes. I think we have something. Maybe Zapdos? Team Rocket Zapdos here. And... oh, what does that even say? Arboliva? Not even a Team Rocket one, but hey. I guess we'll take it. Something to be proud of, right? We'll get a little sleeve for it. This is from the ETB. Again, go watch that if you guys haven't seen that yet. Last one. Let's see if we can get lucky here with the Mewtwo pack. Because if we open 10 packs and the only pull is that Arboliva, I'm going to have words with Pokemon. Here we go. Move this to the side. Diplin. It looks like a... that literally looks like a apple. Electrike. First time pulling that one. Talo. Ethan Slugma. Smike with Jim. Mudsdale. Team Rocket's Orbeetle. Reverse Crustle. Sacred Ash. And then... I'm not feeling too good about this. Team Rocket's Sneasel. And that is it, everybody. So yeah, nothing too crazy. Literally the only pull that we have from today is going to be this Arboliva, and then of course I sleeved this one up just because it does have the Destined Rivals badge right there, and it still is a cool card nonetheless. But that is what we got, and these are the pulls we've had so far when it comes to Destined Rivals. But that's gonna do for this part, guys. So that will just about do it for this video, everybody. Like you saw, we didn't get any pulls so far, which is kind of unfortunate, but we do have this big old booster box to unback. We do have this big old booster box with 36 packs to unbox, and we'll do that in a future video because it'll be a long one. We might split it into 2 videos at that point, but leave a comment down below if you've been able to pull any of those cool cards so far. My best pull as of yet is going to be the full art Kangaskhan, which still beautiful card overall. Got that via the ETB. But that'll do it for this video. Still very excited even though luck hasn't been on our side. And if you guys want to watch more videos like this one, definitely leave an R or a dolphin in the comments down below so I know you made it to the end. And watch one of these videos right here, including our short series where we're opening 1 pack every single day, depending on the number of likes, to make sure that we keep going and streak that up. But that'll do it, everybody. I'm Fernando, and I'm out of here. Peace.